In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $160 from this one YouTube video that only had 2,000 views. Now I know what you're thinking. There's no way you can make that amount of money from such little views. This must be some kind of a scam. I assure you that it's not. And it's actually not as difficult as you might think. To show you that it's not, I'll be breaking down the entire process step by step, so you can see that you can do this yourself. Now, whether you're just starting out with your channel or you've been around for a while but haven't seen much success, stay tuned because I think this video is for you. So I made this one video right here that only got 2,000 views. And then shortly after, $164.62 magically landed in my bank account. Well, not magically, it took some work, but here's how I did it. I was attempting some affiliate marketing experiments that required a landing page for it to really be successful. And while there are already great landing page solutions out there, like lead pages, that I am familiar with all of their templates with really good designs, the thing about that is that it costs some money to start. It's not free. And what I was searching for is a really cost-effective or even free funnel or landing page software that I can get started with, and only if I start generating some income from it, then I can possibly invest in one of the paid plans if I really got the value. That is when I stumbled upon some videos about Systeme.io. Checking out the tool and realizing it's everything in one platform that I actually need. And most importantly, it can be free forever. And this wasn't clear enough, so I did further investigation by hitting the pricing tab, where I saw that there are paid plans, but a free plan actually does exist. It wasn't just a free trial, it was a free plan. So it couldn't hurt to try. I mean, it was free, right? So of course, I went ahead and I got started for free. Tried one of these affiliate marketing experiments over on my channel, where shortly after trying the experiment, I was able to make a sale or two. And that was over on the affiliate marketplace ClickBank. So this worked. I was able to create the content, create the landing page, and send all of those emails for free. Proof of concept was actually making those two sales, whereby the main challenge was finding a landing page and email automation tool that I could use all of those features without spending any money to get started. And since this worked, I thought I couldn't be the only one curious about tools like this themselves. So I started typing in Google how to make a landing page. And as I typed for, affiliate marketing for free showed up in the search suggestions. That's when I realized I'm definitely not the only one curious about this. And as always, I try to get some more insight into that search phrase before I actually make a video about it. And of course, I use one of my favorite keyword research tools to get that information, which is TubeBuddy. In the Keyword Explorer, I searched for the exact phrase, how to make a landing page for affiliate marketing for free, only to realize that it was actually an excellent keyword to target, where I could rank pretty good on YouTube if I was to make a good video about this, seeing that it had good search volume and not a whole lot of competition. So I decided to make the video that I wish I had seen when I was trying to make a landing page for affiliate marketing for free. And of course, that would have been based on my experience so far, not as some kind of expert or anything. Now over in the video, how to make a landing page, sure I recommended Systeme.io, but I also recommended an alternative, ConvertKit, which I found to have some really cool features, not as much as Systeme.io, but it was a good alternative. And while making the video, I thought it made sense to provide a link that can be conveniently accessed right there in the description. However, I realized that, wait a minute, if I am providing this valuable information that could help somebody get started for free, why can't I simply use an affiliate link so that in the event that somebody starts the free plan and is getting enough value and is making money using all of the features, which makes them decide to try one of the paid plans to get more features, then why don't I get a cut from that, a commission for that referral? So I searched up Systeme.io's affiliate program and realized that they have one. And it was really easy to get started and sign up, which I did and then got quickly approved. And most importantly, got my affiliate link. And over in the video about making a landing page for free, I made sure to place my affiliate link in the description, in the first link in the description. So when somebody looks at that video, goes in the description and click that link, it then takes them over to Systeme.io. And when they sign up for free, it's through my referral link. But right before I get into the details of what happened next, around the time that I posted that video, I had just been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And after the first few days, I thought that the CPM was quite high compared to some other videos, whereby I was actually earning several dollars per day on that video when I just got monetized. And that's when the video only had a few hundred views. And over time, the ad revenue has been consistent. With this one day, I don't know how this went up to $5,872 CPM. Yeah, that's right, $5,872 CPM. It's too bad that on that day, the video just got like 12 views, which only amounted to like $3. Anyway, the total ad revenue for that video since published is now $75.81. It's not bad for just over 2,000 views, right? Wait, I know what you're thinking. This doesn't really add up to that $164.62. And what kind of clickbait is this? Well, I'm getting to that. Well, not the clickbait, because it's not clickbait. You remember that affiliate link that I had placed in the description of that landing page video? This link. Not only was it placed in the description, but I also mentioned it in the video where they could find it. On this Systeme.io affiliate account, after a few weeks of posting it, about 12 people had signed up for the plan, the free plan. Well, now it's about 52 on this account, but at that time it was just 12. And after about another week or so, one of those users decided to upgrade to get more out of the software. And not only did they upgrade just for the monthly plan, but they probably realized that they'll need this for a lot more than a month. But they decided to go to the annual plan where they could save an extra 30%, where they could really reap the benefits of that further discount. So that one person took an annual plan where they paid this amount to use the software for the entire year. And because they used my link to sign up in the first place, I earned 40% of this sale, which worked up to around $91.20 that was paid. Further evidence down below right here. So when you add this figure, this $91.20, this $75.18 ad revenue, that works up to roughly $167, which is a little bit more than the $164.62 that I said I made. Probably should have used the calculator in the first place. So that is how I made $167 from a YouTube video with only 2,000 views. Now, if you would like to check out that software, I have a link in the description below to that free plan. As well as if you would like to learn how you could use that software and see exactly how you can make money online with affiliate marketing for free, then check this video out next, where I pick a product, set up the affiliate marketing system on Systeme.io using the landing page and email automation, and then finally use a free traffic source to get clicks on that landing page with an affiliate offer. And I do all of that for free over there. So check that video out next.